welcome to Stories in Color. Today we are going to draw a cow. Let's have fun. Start by drawing the horns on the top of the head. Draw two small curved shapes. They can be short or long. It's up to you. Draw the head under the horns, a smooth oval shape. Then add two ears on each side of the head. The cow is looking curious and friendly. Draw a big rounded nose at the bottom of the head and two small nostrils. Then draw two gentle eyes above the nose. The cow is smiling quietly in the middle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more fun stories and drawings for everyone. Draw a big rounded body under the head. Calves are strong and calm, so make the body wide and soft. Add some spots on the body. They can be round, oval, or any shape you like. Each cow is unique. Draw 4 legs under the body. Make sure they are straight and strong. Don't forget the hooves at the bottom. Little rectangles or ovals. Draw a long tail at the back. You can add a small tuft at the end. The tail is wagging gently. Now it's time to color your cow. You can make it brown, black, white, or a mix. Color the spots, hooves, and tail too. Make your cow look happy and alive. Well done! You have drawn a friendly cow, ready to roam in your story. Thank you.